In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scale your Facebook ad automatically, right, using automated rules, and also how to turn off bad ads automatically, right, so that you don't have to go to your Facebook ads and be scaling your ads every single day manually, and at the end of the day, you ruin everything, and probably the ads go back to the learning phase, all right. So I'm going to show you how to use automated rules to do it perfectly, all right, and your ads scale automatically, and you get the best conversion you can ever think of. So follow me as I walk you through that setup right now. The new way you can actually scale your ad in 2026 is to use the automated rule. How do you do that? Now, after you have analyzed your ad results, you want to know what is working. By the way, you want to scale an ad that is already working. All right. If you don't know how to analyze your Facebook ad results and know which one is giving you the best results, please share the description of this video. I'm going to link a video where I show you exactly how you can analyze your Facebook ad results the right way. All right, from a beginner to an expert level, right? From confusion to knowing exactly what to do, how to analyze the results step by step, right? So make sure you check the description of this video to learn how to do that, right? After you understand that, you can now come back to this video and learn how you can actually scale your Facebook ad the right way, right? After you have know what is working for you. As you can see, this asset is working for me already. I'm in the asset level, right? You can actually do this in two ways. You can actually scale a campaign or scale an asset, right? So in this case, I will just scale an asset level since I'm running an ABU campaign here, all right? So this asset now, I'm spending 4,000 naira per day on this asset, and I've got to 196 orders from this. All right. So how do you scale? You tick the one you want to scale, or you can just decide to stick all of them. All right. But for me, I will just tick only this one here. Then I will come here on this more. Right. I will click on more. All right. Once I click on more, I'm now going to click on create a new rule. Look at it. Create a new rule. Click on it. Create a new rule. Click on custom rule. Click on next. Right now, yes, now you have to rename your rule. I will just see scalar rule. Then you can put your asset. I can just say, let's say I'm selling shoe. I can try to enter shoe white. I enter the brand name here. Right now, I can now see apply rule to one asset selected. Or I can try to see active assets selected assets. Right, or I can try to see all active campaign or all active assets. Right, I can try to see all active assets, or can I decide to select just only one, or can I decide to see just this one. So let's just use only the one we selected already, right? So, but if you want to automatically scale all of your assets, you can decide to just tick this all active campaign. This is for CPU or all active assets for ABU campaigns, right? Now, other actions, I can come here, I can select I can say increase daily budget by, I can say 3%, right? But we say 3% is so small. Who told you 3% is not small? As you with time, it's going to be compounding, all right? So we want to scale it gradually without ruling the algorithm, so that your heart does not go back to learning phase, all right? So maximum daily budget cap. This is where you tell Facebook, once you scale my ad to this particular amount, please stop scaling my ad. This is what this means, right? So you can decide to enter how much you're comfortable, your maximum budget cap, what you're comfortable with. You can enter it here. I will just use 100k here. Is this 100k or 1 million? Okay, I can decide to enter 100k here or 1 million, depending on you. Right, the actual frequency I can say once in 24 hours, right, or once daily. Right, this action should be triggered once daily. Right, conditions I can say spent is smaller than okay, good. Now we are getting okay, it's smaller than 2,000. Normally in this hard we are getting cost per purchase for 1,916 baht. So we now decide to put 2,000 naira here. What does this mean? Facebook, as long as I'm not getting cost per purchase for less than 2,000 naira, you can keep scaling my ad with 3% daily, right? 3% daily. This is what this is now. But let's say you are doing lead generation where you actually spend where you actually spend 200 naira per lead. You can say you can decide to put 200 naira. You can say Facebook, as long as I'm getting lead 200 naira, I'm getting a lead with less than 200 naira per day. Please continue scaling my ad with the S percent I put here. All right, so this is what this basically uh, means, right? So this 2000 just is not a just a is not a benchmark, right? Let's say you are running ads in the United States and you're getting cost per order for $25. You can decide to put Facebook. You can decide to put $25 here, and all this means that Facebook, as long as I'm getting a purchase for as cheaper as low as $25 per day, please keep scaling my ad. But if I'm getting an order above this amount, the rule will trigger. This is what this simply means, alright? Now, once you have done this, you can now set time range. You can decide to leave it at maximum, right? Then you can decide to leave it at daily, right? The notification, you can decide to select notification on Facebook and your name, so that anytime this trigger is applied, you're going to be notified, right? So once you have done all this, you can just decide to click on create. And once you click on create, your rule will go live. What this means is that all active ad sets, all active assets when you run an ad that you use ABO, which is asset budget optimization, all the ones that are active, increase the daily budget by 30%. This is what this will mean, right? But my maximum daily cap should not exceed 100,000, and this frequency should be applied just once every day, right? And the condition should only be meant when when my cost per result is lesser than this amount here. And also, we want to also make this rule even more stronger by adding another trigger here, right? So click on this plus icon, then select impression, search for impression here, right? Search for impression here, then impression is greater than 8,000, right? 8,000, then click on add. What this means is that Facebook, this rule is correct too, but before you must trigger this event, I must be getting this result at least particular price cheaper, and also my ad must average at least 8,000 impression. What this means that Facebook is not going to get more data before I even trigger this rule, right? So you're going to get more accurate scaling, right? So once you have done all that, you can now click on create rule, and your rules will be created automatically, right? So if you are running ABU campaign where you run campaign budget optimization, instead of selecting all active ad set, you can decide to select all active campaign, right? Or just come to the campaign and select it manually here and just launch the rule from your ad manager, right? So that's how you usually do that. Now, how do you turn off bad ads? See the same thing too. Let's say this ad is not working, this ad set is not working. You can come here, you can click on more, or you can just decide to no, you can just don't tick any of the assets, just come here, click on create a new rule, alright, click on next, right? You can enter your rule name here, right? Enter your rule name here. You can see all active assets, or you can try to select all active ads this time, right? Select option, turn off ads. This time you're selecting ads, not ads, you're selecting ads, right? All active ads, turn off ads, right? Spent is greater than. Let's say you're getting cost per result that is greater than your accepted cost per result. Let's say you're getting cost per result at 2,300 per sales, which is this is like I said, this is not the benchmark, it's what you are comfortable with, right? You cannot enter the rule here. You cannot say the impression too must be select this, search for impression, the second trigger, right? The second trigger, search for it is greater than 8,000, right? Click on add, then turn off, right? Turn off, then click on create rule. This means is that Facebook, this is my new rule, right? All my active campaign I'm running on this ads manager, please turn it off here, right? But before you're going to do that, you must meet these following conditions, right? First of all, my result must be greater than 2,300, then my impression must have reached 8,000 people, all right? And this should trigger continuously, right? And also click create rule, right? Select daily, all right? Then click on create rule, and your Facebook is going to turn off bad ads for you automatically, all right? So I hope you find this video helpful. So make sure you click on create. So I hope you find this video helpful. All right. If you do, if this video really interests you, please smash that like button now. All right. And don't just scroll, give it a like and drop your thoughts or question in the comment section. And I'm going to respond to that and probably do more videos to clarify your questions. All right. And one more thing, please share this video with someone who needs to see it too. All right. Let's spread value. So if you want to learn the exact structure of how I run profitable Facebook ads in 2026, click on this video here.